Hello guys and welcome to Hakman Traders. In this video I'll be showing to you guys how to trade stocks professionally. So trading stocks professionally, how much experience is required to trade stocks professionally. So it takes a lot of experience to trade stocks effectively or professionally. So for this reason you will have to learn different tools, indicators and strategies. You will have to identify different you will have to identify entry and exit points at different level. So to identify these, like to identify these a lot of experience is required. Sometimes you will have to control your emotions, and that is also another aspect of trading. So if you accomplish these, then trading will be easy for you and you won't face any problems while trading stocks. So trading stocks is not that much hard, and it is easy for you. It is easy when you trade them effectively, trade them professionally, and with the passage of time with trading you will gain experience and you will know how to trade stocks professionally. So so for this reason, I said earlier, that you will have to recognize different strategies, different tools, different indicators that will help you trade these stocks professionally and effectively. So trading these stocks professionally and effectively, you will gain more profits, and you will see how different stocks and how different stocks are traded. So to trade these stocks, to trade these stocks effectively, you can notice that you will notice now in this chart that how I've set up my trade house, how I have set up my chart, and you will see now that how I trade stocks effectively. Now in this, now you can see, as I've gained much more experience, it's about a year that I've started trading. So I've gained much more experience in the stock market, and I can trade stocks effectively now. For trading stocks professionally, first of all, I would want you to learn the different functions of indicators, learn different tools and indicators of how they are used, how to apply different strategies at different points, how to recognize entry and exit points at different levels, when what to do when you face a bearish market. So what should you do at different points? You should all know of how you should all know of what can happen when you use when you face these type of situations. So you should also know of how to use a risk to reward ratio, how to use risk management, how to apply the strategy of the risk management, how to use the averaging concept. So all of these when you know how to use these things, then it is not difficult for you, then trading is easy for you and you will trade stocks effectively. And also one more thing is that you should recognize simple and easy indicators and strategy for yourself, that with which you can trade stocks effectively and professionally. So these indicators and tools, keep trading simple for yourself, and if, if it is too much complex, then you will face difficulty while trading stocks. Now you can see in these two charts, I made trading easy for myself. This is the 200-day moving average. The stock is trading below the 200-day moving average. This is the support level. You can see the stock crosses below the support level, but I didn't close my position. I held on to the stocks, and you can see it burst. Stock burst, and now it is trading in this manner. So again, in this case as well, when the stock is trading below the Ichimoku cloud, that is when you should buy the stock and sell when it is trading above the Ichimoku cloud. Now in this case, take a close look of how the stock is trading. Now let me load another chart. Where is it? This one, yes. So in almost every of my stocks, I've kept trading simple, and I'm trading stocks simple. I'm not trading them with it's not complex for me or complicated. It's simple for me. It is easy to understand it is easy to understand different stocks. So I made this easy for myself, and for this reason I'm trading them effectively. And you can see at various points, I do not face any problems or different any things that will hinder my trading. So if you keep it simple for yourself, the stock market is simple, then trading is easy for you. Or if you make it complex or use many indicators, tools, or studies, then it would definitely be difficult for you to understand the stocks. So my advice here is to try to keep it as simple as possible, and do not make it hard for yourself. if it is easy f- if it is easy, then you will understand it better, and you will know where to apply a certain strategy at a certain point. So try to use try to apply this method um, try to use uh, what I'm saying at this point is that if you apply these strategies that I'm saying, then trading is easy for you and you won't face any difficulty while trading stocks. So if you do not apply these things, then trading would be definitely, it will be difficult for you. So apply these strategies, use simple and clear methods, learn different tools, but at the end I would say that whatever you do, you learn all of the strategies, everything. The only way you can trade stocks professionally is that by gaining experience, and it will take time for you to gain that experience. And once you gain that experience, then there is nothing difficult of trading stocks. Then you will trade stocks effectively and professionally. So try to opt for gaining experience, and not for making it complex for you. Gain experience, and you will see how the stock market is an enjoyable experience. It's enjoyable, it's a game that you should enjoy. So so you, uh, so follow my advice and what I've said in this video, and that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market or the forex market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.